What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up another Hot Wheels case, and this one is the 2019 Hot Wheels C case. I'm also giving away a few new Hot Wheels cars to one lucky subscriber, so make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Now let's open up the C case and find out which brand new Hot Wheels cars we have inside. So starting off in the top right corner, we have the blue and red Super Chrome's Electrac, then the new blue color of the HW Moto Ducati 1199 Panigale, followed up by another HW Moto vehicle, the Tread Shredder, and here we have one of the highlights that was also in the previous case, the green Nissan Skyline GTR R34. I've also been looking forward to this HW Ride-On's model, its Aaron Wheels wheelie chair, and over on the left is the blue X-Racers Crescendo. Our next row begins with some fire. It's the Tanner Fox 2017 Nissan GTR R35 Guaxzilla. Alongside Guaxzilla is the 69 Ford Torino Talladega. Then moving along, we have a green Custom 72 Chevy Love, a blue 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck, the HW Flame 67 Shelby GT500, and on the end is the orange X-Racers El Viento. Now moving down in the case, we have the HW Flame 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. After that is the yellow Munez Volkswagen Käfer Racer. And here we have the all-new red Nightburners 88 Honda CRX. We saw this one in the last case. It's the blue Baja Blazers High Beam, and here's the latest color of the Batman Justice League Batmobile, followed up by the brand new Musclemania 2018 Copo Camaro SS. The next row starts off with the new color of the 87 Dodge D100, and a second one of the blue 67 Shelby GT500. We have one of the coolest new Nissans, the yellow and black Nissan Fairlady Z. This next one is the regular edition of the Super Treasure Hunt Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and the next best thing after a Roadster is the Experimotors Roller Toaster. Along the side is the X-Racers Bottle Car Carbonator. Check this out, it looks like we have another Experimotors Roller Toaster, and believe it or not, we have another one of the X-Racers Carbonator. Next in line is the Super Chrome's Hovering Out, the HW Hot Trucks model we saw in the last case called Too Tough. Then there is a new transparent green color of the X-Racer Flash Drive, another green HW Ride-On's Aaron Wheels wheelie chair. Onto the bottom row, we have the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, then a second one of the Musclemania 2018 Copo Camaro SS, followed up by the green Baja Blazer Sandivore. From Volkswagen, there's a new red custom rusty Volkswagen Beetle, and from Dino Riders, this one is a purple color of the Fangster. The second half of the case starts off with the Baja Blazers High Beam, with another Baja Blazers model right behind it, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and a third Baja Blazers model in this run, the green Sandivore. Switching up to HW Speed Graphics, we have the Mad Mike 95 Mazda RX-7, a new teal blue color of the Volkswagen Golf Mark II, and on the left side is the white Nightburners Nissan Skyline R33. We saw this one at the start of the case, the Super Chrome's Electrac, another one of the Baja Blazers 87 Dodge D100. From HW Hot Trucks, a black and red 72 Ford Ranchero. HW Screen Time features the Star Trek USS Vengeance. Then a Flamin' Wagon, we have the yellow 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. And we saw this one in the first half of the case, the red 88 Honda CRX. We have a new one from HW Speed Graphics, it's the Gulf Racing 68 Chevy Nova. HW Screen Time brings back the Minecraft Minecart. Then another HW Speed Graphics car, the 2018 Camaro SS. Once again, we have the orange X-Racer El Viento, the HW Game Over 2005 Ford Mustang, and the return of the HW Screen Time Despicable Me Grewmobile. Our next row begins with the blue X-Racers Crescendo, then we have another 84 Audi Sport Quattro, with another 2005 Ford Mustang right next to it. Now here's a cool new Mustang from HW Flames, the 71 Mustang Funny Car. HW Speed Graphics returns once again with another 2018 Camaro SS, and I remember seeing this one before, the Super Chrome's Hovering Out. There are now 12 cars left to go, and we have another Minecraft Minecart, a new Musclemania 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, another blue 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck, an orange and yellow color of the Experimotors the Hollinator, the purple and green Dino Riders Fangster, and another white Nightburners Nissan Skyline R30. Down to the bottom of the case, we have the yellow Munez Volkswagen Käfer Racer, the green Nissan Skyline GTR R34, and a new color of the Dino Riders Motosaurus. We have 3 cars left to go, and there's a 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck, another one of the red HW Moto Tread Shredder, and finally to finish off the C case we have the Speed Blur edition of the Track Ripper. So there we have my unboxing of the 2019 Hot Wheels C case. If you would like a chance to win these 3 cars here, all you have to do is be subscribed, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.